Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock OPPO A5x without the password. Okay, so let's begin, but before we start I'll tell you that please only try to unlock your phone in no other case as someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. So we have two methods how we can unlock this device on our own, and I'll show you how to do it. For the first method, we need to pretend that this phone isn't locked, because I'll show you the steps on this device, on our OPPO of course. But the things that I'm going to show you, basically we need to perform on other device, because you know that one will be locked. But for the second method, we need to use our device. So for the first method, we need to use the Find Hub. Open up your browser and type Find Hub. Select the first option. Also, you need to log in. You need to be logged in into the same Google account on which you are logged in on your device. Now, we need to find our OPPO. We cannot do it right now because we cannot select OPPO because we are using that, so I'll show you an example of the nothing. Simply select your device, click on the settings button, and now on the bottom we have factory reset. We need to click on that button, then we need to type our password to our Google account, and if we do everything properly, our device will be turned off, and the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. But remember that all of your data will be lost. You need to remember about it in both methods, so keep that in mind, that you will lose everything. So if you don't have a backup, you'll lose everything. So that's the first method. Now I'll show you the second one. For that, we are going to use the recovery mode, and now every step that I'm going to show you, we need to perform on our locked OPPO. So for now, we don't remember the password, and what to do now. And we need to power off our device first. Let's hold the power button. Oh, wait a sec. Okay, sorry, my bad. Tap power button and volume up button. And now select the power off option. Okay, now the OPPO logo disappeared. And now our device is turned off. Now, to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. And we need to keep holding both of the buttons. When the OPPO logo appears, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down. It's going to take a few seconds, so simply be patient and keep holding volume down. Alright, now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use volume keys and power button to confirm the selected option, but we can also use our fingers. So now select your language, now select format data, now type this code using your keyboard, and now we need to click on format. But remember that all of your data will be lost also, so keep that in mind. Click on format, now the process will start. It's not going to take long. Boom. Data formatted. Click on OK. Now the device has been automatically turned off. Within a second it will be automatically turned on. And the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.